Meghalaya Chief Secretary D.P. Wahlang informed that the expert committee on the state's reservation policy had completed its consultations across the state. He mentioned that the committee had gathered inputs from various stakeholders, including political parties, student leaders, and civil society organizations, during visits to locations like Shillong, Jowai, and the Garo Hills. The Chief Secretary stated that the consultations aimed to ensure inclusivity by considering diverse perspectives, allowing the committee to better understand the issue. He noted that the committee had held a meeting in New Delhi to analyze the collected feedback and work towards preparing a detailed report that would guide the restructuring of the policy. While no specific timeline was provided for the report submission, D.P. Wahlang assured that the committee was focused on delivering a meaningful and comprehensive document to address the concerns of all communities and stakeholders.
Committee has been constituted. They have already met, and the report is expected to be submitted at the end of this month. I have been informed that they have inducted and also co-opted some important experts from outside. They will be calling and inviting some members of the public also who have a stake in this, and I'm sure that the committee will deliberate and also submit the report on time. No, the Reservation Committee has already visited the state, and they have had meetings all over the state, Shillong, Jowai, as well as in Garo Hills. And they had a meeting just about 1 week back, last week in Delhi also, where all the members were present to basically discuss and deliberate on the findings during the tour where they made across Meghalaya. So I think so. They are in the process of writing the report now. How long they'll take to complete the report, I am not privy to that information right now. They have met all the stakeholders, the political parties, the students leaders, the NGOs, members of the public, across the state, in fact, in Jowai, Shillong, as well as in Tura.